All right, today I'm going to show you how to disinfect a toilet with Lysol Disinfectant Spray. Right here I have Lysol Disinfectant Spray with max cover with this strange looking nozzle that sprays a wide area, which makes spraying it a little easier. This right here I believe is Garden Fresh Scent. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, all right, and spray it on to the non-porous surface of the toilet and leave it for 3 minutes in order to disinfect or kill up to 99.9% of the viruses and bacteria on the surface. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do it. And when I do this, I like to start from the inside of the toilet and work my way around. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open the inside of the toilet. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray like inside right here, and then I'm going to work my way into the seat and then around the body. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do this. All right, so that's the Lysol. I'm going to stand, I believe it's a few inches away. I believe it's like 5 inches away, I believe. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to go ahead and spray it slightly, just enough so it stays wet for 3 minutes. Get the seat right here. Get that part of the seat right there. And then I'm going to work my way around. I'm starting at the base. And then work my way to the handle right here. Get the handle and the top right there. And I'm supposed to let it sit for 3 minutes and it should be disinfected. And that's how you disinfect the toilet with Lysol Disinfectant Spray. Let me know if you have any questions.